Oh, round two. I knew it couldn't possibly be over. Dumb, crazy ass bitch behind me keeps pushing her luck. I'll see her back in court. Like I said, it started at 6:30 again this morning. This is the Friday the 9th of October. You notice I'm not saying a word or doing anything. This is just her normal idiot behavior. Attributed all to my idiot neighbor. Must be about the saddest, loneliest, depressed moron I ever saw in my life. Anybody let their dogs do that? Going on about 7 years now. People that lived here before moved because they were 80-something years old. They couldn't stand it no more. If I'd have known it, I wouldn't have moved here in the first place. This ain't nothing but pure hell. Yeah, it ain't over. There's no telling how long it's gonna last. Of course, she lied in court. Then lied and told me I was trying to poison her dogs. If I'd have wanted to, they'd have been dead. Some people just got no brains. I don't know how she keeps a job. I guess it's a brainless job. Yes, what you hear is not a test. We're rocking to the beat. Ain't it wonderful? Wouldn't you just love to hear that all the time? 7 days a week? Yeah, it's just wonderful. I can be inside my house with the TV on, and it's just as loud in there. They never shut up. It ain't over. I've just videoed enough for right now.